Good morning, boys and girls. Rise up. Raider strong. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to school. Today is November the 7th, 2019, and it is going to be a fabulous day. Let's take a look at what happened on this day in history. Did you know that in the year 1944, President Franklin D. Roosevelt becomes the first person to win a fourth term as president? Fourth term. That's a lot, and we can't do that anymore. Let's take a look at who is celebrating birthdays today. This is not very common, but we do not have any birthdays, staff nor student. We'll see if we can find other ways to celebrate and have a great time, hopefully in our classrooms as we learn. Let's see what we have for lunch today. We have the choice between macho burrito, assorted pizzas, or chicken and waffles. So be thinking about what you want to eat. Macho burrito, assorted pizza, or chicken and waffles. That is a variety of food. Okay, great thing. I was watching a movie. I was up real late last night. I like to watch old English movies about knights and swords and kings and all sorts of stuff. And I heard a king use our word of the week in a sentence. So the word of the week is verity, which means truth or fact. And the king, in his old English British accent, said, "I sincerely doubt the verity of your claim." And it made me excited because I wanted to give him some PBIS points for using that word of the week that we're working on. One quick announcement. Remember, boys and girls, that on Monday we start our toy and food drive here at Rayburn, out here on the front porch as you come in. If you ride the bus, you can just walk over to this is the only time we're going to let you do this. Walk over to that front porch, drop your toy or your food item off. We're going to have a Santa Claus there, and then each language arts class who collects the most items. Language arts class is 5th and 6th grade. The 5th grade class and the 6th grade class who have the most items will win a pizza party. So remember, that starts on Monday. Make sure you talk to your family, see if we can clean out some pantries, take some food maybe y'all don't eat, or if you go shopping, put a couple extra things in your basket so that you can bring those to school next week. We have no more announcements, so let's go ahead and stand up and get ready for those pledges. Take that right hand, put it on your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now our Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please stay standing and join me in a moment of silence. Okay, go ahead and have a seat now. This time we have no more announcements. Actually, I apologize. Two things. Please make sure, I didn't say these yesterday and we had an issue with them. Please make sure that you have your ID on. If you do not have your permanent ID, make sure you have a fluorescent green ID on. And then also, boys and girls, remember our 10-10 rule. That means 10 minutes before the bell rings and 10 minutes after the bell rings. There's nobody in the hallways. We're going to start sweeping those restrooms during the very first couple of minutes of class. We shouldn't find anybody in the restrooms at those times. We have a 10-10 rule in place. Nobody goes to the restroom 10 minutes before the bell, 10 minutes after bell. Okay, now we have no more announcements, so please remember, boys and girls, teachers and staff, that Mrs. Ryberg loves each and every one of you, each and every minute of each and every day, and I hope you all have a terrific Thursday. Bye.